All right, drive shaft time, huh?
We're ready to put a drive shaft in.
No lube, just like you like there. Yeah, it looked like it slid in there. I guess I'm just used to it being all greasy and nasty with tranny fluid.
Alright.
You gotta move that rear end.
Move that rear end. Give me a wiggle.
I think
I don't think we're in neutral.
Oh,
No,
this,
but the rear end
this
moves.
won't.
It won't turn the shaft.
This ain't the drive wheel. I can't.
Oh.
Oh, here, I'll lock this side.
Go ahead. It's locked in.
It won't.
Okay.
It won't turn because the transmission's not in gear.
Right.
Neutral.
Oh. I heard what you were saying. I just wasn't listening, Doug. Okay.
There's a little saddle
Understandable.
clamps here.
And you even have a proper name. Did you study that last night?
No, I
They're
just
called
remembered.
saddle clamps.
I just remembered that from my youth.
Uh-huh.
From his youth, it's one of the things he remembers.
That's right.
You know what? He's dad at 15. I'm gonna remember these are saddle clamps.
I need I'm gonna take one and get one of the looks like it's probably 3/8.
I was thinking.
Open end.
Yeah, well, no, it could be a box end. Man, they're teeny.
Oh,
You wouldn't think that the whole car gets driven by these 4 little 3/8 bolts.
I don't know if you can get locked in up there or not.
Should be able to. Oh, it won't go on. Shouldn't be.
That one's bigger.
Well, yeah, I see it bigger. Must be 7/16. Oh.
They have 2 different size saddle bolts.
Well, that's what was on it. Somebody must have done that. Get it. Okay, let me get the.
Yeah, that one looks like. Why are you doing that, Doug?
Righty tighty.
Yeah, you just took it all the way out. Good job. That's why we invite you over. Show us all the things not to do.
Exactly. Did everything right the first time, you'd never learn anything.
Oh, so I've got to edit this video. Well, that just cost me an hour of my life editing the video.
Why don't you start it over?
Because it's already in.
Well, you can go so far.
Mm-hmm.
You're supposed to know those things. You're the professional.
Stupid music and videos. This ain't MTV. This is Clark TV.
Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be anyway.
Yeah, there's a guy that does pinball posts. His channel's MPT 3000 Mystery Pinball Theater, and I guess he was a video editor or something, and
Yeah, I would have to.
Yeah.
he's like, I hate the comment, we'll fix it in post. He's like, that is not right, you don't say that. Because that's hours and hours of little tweaking.
Oh, I know it. Just to copy and paste stuff is forever.
Thanks for minimizing the hours I spend doing these stupid
Just to
videos.
20, 30
It's
minutes.
just copy and paste, that's all it is.
I said just to copy and paste something.
Uh-huh.
Takes forever.
Okay, you redeemed yourself.
You didn't let me finish before you so quickly.
It's just copy, paste, post. Just 3-step process.
What you're having problems with.
This 7/16 one.
It fits there, but now I can't go up any higher. If I
Get
go
the-
over
get
here,
the-
I can't grip it.
Get the ratcheting wrench then.
Well, I tried.
It won't get it.
It gets in too tight, and then it's too close to something. It doesn't.
It looks like you can get it right there. Yeah, you gotta
Hang
come
on, I
in
got a
little
little bit
far.
of it. Yeah, see, it's not
Yeah,
fully
yours-
gripping. I think it's tight, but yeah, that'll. It's tight enough anyway.
They're all tight enough.
Yeah.
They don't really let you get in there.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right, calling it done.
We're calling
Done.
it.
Calling it done.
Yep.
All right, good.